Senator, si Congresswoman, si Senator Bong, Speaker, we are the brightest stars today mo. Tingin ka sa political na langit at makikita mo kami shining. But I know that in about 2 years' time, that light would dim and I would be nothing. Ganon ang buhay. There is a time for everything in this world. So a time to be young, and a time to be old, and a time to be grateful, and a time to be just